In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the MIRR function in Excel, which calculates the modified internal rate of return, which, unlike the internal rate of return, IRR considers your investment rate of positive cash flows and your financing rate of negative cash flows. So to use this function, type equals MIRR, open parentheses. The first argument is the values. So what values represents the cash flows of your investment or your loan, which is going to be what I have in column B right here. $100,000 in and $10,000 out in each period. The next argument is the finance rate. So what rate are you financing the negative cash flows? Well, that's at 5%. And the comma investment rate. So what return are we getting on our positive cash flows? It's going to be 8%. In close parentheses. Press enter. And because our investment rate is higher than our financing rate and a positive cash flows first, the MIR is positive 10.83%. As I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.